Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to play Volibear Wild Rift. Start by mastering his core kit: passive, Q, W, E, and R interactions for trades and all-ins. Focus on timing your E for gap closing and R for tower dives while watching cooldowns closely. Build attack speed and survivability to stay in fights longer, and practice objective timing to turn small leads into turrets and dragons consistently. Open with a simple mindset. Farm first and trade when you have a clear advantage. Use your E to initiate only when minion waves and jungler vision align. Keep Q reserved to heal after trades, not on cooldown wastefully. Communicate with your team about gank windows and dragon attempts. Small advantages snowball quickly, so maintain lane control and roam when lane is pushed to pressure side objectives and secure vision. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear sound and voice timers while you play. It makes setting cooldown reminders and ambient music effortless. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Transitioning into mid and late game, your role shifts to frontline and split pusher. Use R to start fights or peel for carries, then follow with E and Q combos to maximize sustained damage. Watch enemy cooldowns and target isolated champions for instant kills. Take towers when enemies are dead or distracted, and always keep teleport or minion waves in mind to join crucial fights and secure Baron or Dragon.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.